Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Glyn Realistic Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Glyn Realistic Vibrator itself. Now this vibrator is recommended for advanced users and experts and is not recommended for beginners. Now if you're looking for a realistic experience, then this vibrator is perfect for you. The Glyn vibrator features a vane shaft which is textured for extra stimulation during use, features a realistic ball sack and a swollen rounded head at the top just here. It also features a firm yet flexible shaft, has a lifelike feel and is soft and smooth for a comfortable feel during use. It features a strong suction cup so you can place this on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation whenever and wherever you want. It features vibrations using the remote control, so it's perfect for couples and those who want to experiment with something a little different. The vibrator has 10 different vibration settings, that's 3 speeds and 7 patterns. To turn on, push and hold down for 2 seconds on the remote control. You will feel a buzz indicating the vibrator is now on. Click once on the top button and the vibrations have begun. To change through the different vibrations, click on the same button. Find which one is the best for you. To turn off, push and hold down on the bottom button and it's now off. The remote control is rechargeable using your USB charging cable provided. Gently slot it in as demonstrated and it will charge for you. Quick, simple and easy. Once you're finished, simply remove and the vibrator is ready to go. Now, when using the Glyn Realistic Vibrator, we would always recommend to use a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use, and for this we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Real Fantasy Glyn Realistic Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.